Today, let's explore the word anything. It's a simple word but very useful in many situations. Anything means any one thing or some things, no matter what. It can mean something or even nothing depending on the sentence. A common mistake is confusing anything with something. Anything is used in questions and negatives, while something is for positives. Common phrases: do you want anything? I don't have anything, anything is possible, and anything but that. Can I help you with anything? She didn't say anything, anything can happen, I would do anything for you. Once, a boy said, I would give you anything if you help me. This shows how powerful and wide anything can be. Think of anything as a big box where you can put any item you want. It's open to everything. Remember, anything means any one or more things. Try using it today and see how useful it is.